What's up, everybody? It's Tomasz here. Today I'm very excited because I have this. This is M5Stack embedded development platform. Before we continue, don't forget to click subscribe. So, what's so unique about this unit? Why I think that this unit is the best development platform now? Because we have everything, almost everything integrated. So there's a graphical screen, buttons here. We've got also built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth modules. And there is a speaker and microphone and a battery. Development is very easy. You connect this module over USB to a computer and you can flash it easily. And there is SD card reader. And there are LED bars integrated on the sides. So practically whatever you want, you can do this on this unit. You don't need any additional equipment. And there are also some additional built-in features like accelerometer, magnetic compass, Hall sensor, ADC and DAC converters. So practically you can test everything you want using this single device. This microcontroller inside is manufactured by a Chinese company, which is Expressive Systems. And I think that this particular microcontroller is a very good product. This is ESP32. I prepared some demonstration code that can run on this. Let me switch it on. You should see that the screen is operating. And also you can see that LEDs are working as well. And on the screen now, you can see also how my program operates. And I promise that there will be an episode about how to build such POV display that you can learn how to do this by yourself. And there's more because it's called M5Stack. Why M5Stack? Because it's stackable. So I have in the set base, it's for charging because battery is built in here. So it's connected over USB to a power supply, and then it keeps on magnets and charging. So it's very easy. And many people are building their own solutions based on this stackable module. So after disassembling this, you can build or buy ready-to-use modules for your own experiments. The module consists of two parts. The upper part holds inside the electronics, and the bottom part is one of those stackable modules which holds battery. If you have a 3D printer, you can print some stack elements by yourself. And for example, what I found, what people are doing, like building LoRa systems with integrated antennas. A very nice solution. It is very useful if you don't have much space and if you don't want to deal with hardware. So simply instead of building your own electronic system, you are working on software only. And the software for this M5Stack system can be compiled on Arduino IDE, and there are multiple libraries available. It's not very complicated. There will be more episodes about M5Stack, and I will show you how to build simple applications for this system and how to use different features of this device. And I hope that you join me, and definitely in one of next episodes about M5Stack, I will show you how to build the application, creating text in the air. Please come back and you will learn a lot about embedded systems. That's all for today. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you soon.